What's going on, guys? Good afternoon. Today is a new day in the shop. Benoit is already over there sanding. Oh, you can't really see him. He's been sanding on one of the side pod parts for a while. I think Cody's welding on some stuff for the Repu, so let's go see what he's up to. There he is. What are you working on?
Making new verticals because I stole them for Enviate.
So what are you trying to accomplish today then with the Repu?
Got to get the sump figured out. We don't get it done today. We don't have enough time, but I want to get the sump mounted and reinforced back to the chassis because we got to get going on the autoclave.
I hear ya.
So autoclave and then other fun.
All right, I'll let you get to it. How's this coming along?
Oh, amazing.
I caught him off guard. I know you've been working on this for a little bit and I've been watching you.
Yeah,
Yeah, you've been putting in a lot of work on this thing, dude.
a couple more days.
I know it's a lot of people don't understand. I mean, you're like me. You're just as tall.
Yeah.
This thing's huge. Like, a lot of people probably don't understand that that's like a what? It's like probably 9 feet, 9.5 feet. Yeah, it's a massive part that has to be prepped for carbon stuff, so. A lot of people don't understand what it takes, Benoit, to kind of get things prepped and ready. You've been working on this for how long?
Probably 3 solid days.
Yeah.
Like, probably 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, you think?
Nah, but definitely a long time.
Yeah. I think that's one of the things that I really get to experience a lot is, like, I know some people just kind of like buy random carbon fiber parts and, you know, they really don't see the process behind something like this, and it is extensive. I know it's kind of different between like diffusers and spoilers and, like, you know, lip spoilers, but yeah, a lot goes into prep work for stuff like this, and you cannot mess it up. So thankfully Benoit's been doing this for quite some time, and he knows what he's doing. So we'll let him get back to it. We'll see what Cody's up to again. Hopefully he's done welding, and we'll get to working on the Repu.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this from here to here to here to here to here. And I have to do a cross brace in these 2 verticals, which I'm measuring now.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense why you were getting those done.
Go from here. I'm gonna shove it right in that little cranny right there, and then boom, 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 boom. And then from here, I'm gonna go boom, 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 boom.
All the way down. All right.
That way, we've got kind of a spine, quote unquote, through the truck. And as this thing's yanking on the everything, it transfers load.
Sweet. Easy enough.
Day 2.
It's a Sunday, and it's kind of a fun day. I fabricated all that today. So now the engine is stressed member. So it was already with the bell housing and such, but there we go. It's I like it. So that's gonna conclude this for a minute. Got to get it out of here, get some other work moving. So we'll do that. And we'll get the Repu back in here at some point. Kind of my next point is I need the actual shocks that we're going to use. We've got feelers out to a few different people, Moton included, just to try to find out pricing. I don't even know what the Moton shocks cost. So once we have the shocks, I think I'll get it back in here, build the third elements, roll bars, all that, and kind of go from there. But until then, I don't want to build more on shocks that are not exact. Just leaves recipe for disaster. So yeah, that's the Repu update for a while. From here, it's shocks are expensive unless you do QA1s. Even then, they're not exactly cheap. So Steven wants to do not QA1s. He wants to do something else. So we'll update you soon on the Repu.